I go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Yes, my people, blessing. So it's a great feeling to see the Olympian, that's Kemoy Campbell. You don't know, say, him did faint out the other day, and you understand, unconscious and thing. And yeah, it is great to see the youth walk for the first time, people. So this is the video, as the way you just see, yeah, man, and him that walk for the first time. You don't know, so them launch a GoFundMe theme the other day. They put it at 100,000, them put it to 200,000. That's US dollar. You don't know, say, Reebok, you understand, donate a sponsorship of 50,000 US dollar towards the GoFundMe, and in just 5 hours yesterday, they raised over 41,000 from over 500 and odd participants who assist with the GoFundMe. So it's a great feelings, and we see the youth and him say, yo, look out, soon he might come back on the track. So, and he is the, you know what I mean, the record holder for our long distance in Jamaica, and the one who is making Jamaica look big in other long distance something there. So people, you don't know, so we have to give him our love and we have to give him our support, and we just wish him fast recovery.
Where them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.